Hey guys, and today we're about to be discussing about best motorcycle insurance in the UK. So if you are a motorbike rider and loves to simply ride your bike, then this video is specifically for you. If you are confused with insurance to get for your bike, then simply opt for the ones that I'm going to be simply explaining and detailing in this video. So the very first thing is, you can see we have this confused site which helps you really get the best insurances or insurers for you. You can see we have Adelaide Motorbike. You can simply opt for their insurance as well. You have a couple more, so you need to be checking that which one is going to be in your area. You can head over to the motorbike filter and you can see motorbike insurance, and then you can see we have motorbike insurance. You can get a bike code, and you have many other as well: motorcycle directs, David, bike shore, and yeah. So you're going to be getting the cheapest deal on this site, so go for yourself, sign up and just get your insurance today.